Okay, I can start writing up the contract.
Oh my God.
If you want the furniture, full turnkey package, add another $315,000 and we'll call it a deal.
Hello everyone. So today we're with one of our real estate partners, Heidi Rutledge, and she's bringing us to see this beautiful slice of heaven here in Panama City. Thank you so much for showing us this wonderful apartment. All right, so tell us everything. What can you say about this gorgeous apartment?
Okay, we are in Punta Pacifica, right at the point of Punta Pacifica in this beautiful 4-bedroom, 647 square meters.
Wow, that's huge.
Almost 7,000 square feet.
Okay.
Right in front of Ocean Reef Island, so you have outstanding views.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. You can see the blue of the ocean, Ocean Reef Islands right there, and then you can see some other islands over there towards the Pacific. That's absolutely wonderful.
It is.
And so tell us, Heidi, I mean, obviously we have this spacious living room, absolutely beautiful, marble floors. I mean, what does an apartment like this go for here in Panama?
Let me show you around first, and I want you to tell me what you think it would go for.
All right.
Okay, you want to see it?
Yes, let's go. Let's do it.
Okay, so I'm going to take you into the dining room, kitchen area. Everything's very open concept. We do have a closed kitchen here, very large, so you don't feel like you're enclosed. Here you've got your island.
Oh my God, I
a
love
lot
it.
of cupboard space. You have connecting through here is the service quarters, very large, where you could have 2 to 3 people.
Wow, so you can have a staff of 2 or 3 people live with you, they can cook for you, or if you like to cook, this is a chef's kitchen, basically.
It is, yes, and look at all the storage space that you have. You've got another area connecting through here, which could be another dining room, an informal dining room, or a breakfast area, which has great views towards Punta Pacifica. So as I mentioned, this building is located at the point, the end of Punta Pacifica, just before you go into Ocean Reef. So here you're looking towards Punta Pacifica.
So you actually get city views on this side, ocean views on the other side, and right in the middle of everything. And in your own sky palace, basically. Okay guys, just as a quick reminder, if you're interested in gaining early access to our full Panama relocation course, you can find the link in the description below.
Connecting through here, you can go out to the main dining room and living area.
Beautiful.
Or you can connect back through this little passageway into the family room.
Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. So this is like the TV area. This is where we're gonna sit down, watch Netflix. Awesome.
It could be the kids' room or the entertaining room, apart from your main entertaining room. You have 4 bedrooms in total. So you have 2 very good sized bedrooms here, sort of copy paste. They both have great natural light and really good sized ensuite bathrooms. You've got lots of closet space. See the size of these rooms?
Absolutely lovely. And this is not the master bedroom. This is a secondary room for one of the kids. Wow.
Yeah, and then here you've got your ensuite bath. Lots of natural light in here as well.
And a view of the city.
And a view of the city too.
Fantastic. Wow.
So being secondary bedrooms, they're actually larger than a standard master bedroom. So we can come out through here, and then you've got the other secondary bedroom here.
Guys, I'll just say that this is like living on Mount Olympus, but in the middle of Panama City. Absolutely wonderful.
Yeah. See, it is basically copy paste the opposite way. Floor to ceiling closets, great ensuite bath, beautiful city view. Extremely high ceilings, which is nice as well.
Very nice. It makes it feel spacious, and it's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
So we back out into the family room here. There is the 3rd secondary bedroom here on the right.
So basically this is 3 kids, mom and dad, essentially. Okay.
So again, extremely spacious.
Very nice.
Here, apart from the floor to ceiling, or instead of the floor to ceiling closet, you have a walk-in closet, which you go into the ensuite bathroom, and you have the walk-in closet here. So this room's a little bit different, but the size is
absolutely wonderful. I love how here in Panama, I always say, people still say master bedroom, because over in the States and Canada, it's like a bit taboo to say master bedroom now. It's not politically correct.
What am I supposed to call it?
I think it's the main bedroom or something.
So this is the main bedroom.
No, we like master bedroom. That's why we like the fact that in Panama, you know, we don't have to be politically correct. We can call it like it is. It's the master bedroom. We love it.
The master bedroom. So it's got an access to this terrace, which is amazing. I will take you there after.
Oh yeah, that's fantastic.
And the ensuite bathroom here is very large,
Wow.
A lot of natural light.
Beautiful.
You've got your shower, your bathtub, everything is marble.
And so you get ocean view from the bathtub, ocean view from the bed. It's like fantastic. I mean, I have no other words to describe it. It's like being in heaven. Honestly, it's your
Lots
little
of
slice
space, his and her sinks, and
Absolutely
then yeah, your makeup area.
I think if you're aiming for happy wife, happy life, this would probably be a good place to start.
Yes, yes.
Great.
So from the master bedroom, we can connect through to another area, which is the office. You can, you know, depending on what your needs are.
Exactly. If you work from home,
interest.
if you're running your international business operations from here, all of that. Oh, this is very cozy.
Isn't it great? You know, even if you close it off, you've still got light coming through here. The beautiful views out towards the terrace, the island.
I think of so many clients of ours that run international business operations from home, or are kind of like, you know, very high level digital nomads with online businesses. And I couldn't think of, you know, a better place to run international financial operations than here with this beautiful ocean view.
It would not make it bad working from home, that's for sure.
All right, so let's continue on this way.
So we're going to go back out to the living area. There's a great guest bathroom here. And
Very
then back
spacious one of that, yeah, too.
It is back to the main living room. This building was constructed in 2005.
Okay.
So it's over 20 years old. And it's got an amazing construction, very good construction.
Good bones.
But being that it's 20 years old, some people like to make it a little more modern, remodel.
But what's good is that it's very dynamic. Like, it shows people are buying, selling, keeping their properties up to date. You mentioned that some embassy people have rented out in this building and in the adjacent areas. So it's really lovely, because sometimes you see areas that, you know, maybe are a bit dated, but people just don't have the resources to keep it, you know, to keep up with modern times. But here it really seems like, you know, it's dynamic and everything is moving forward. All right, Heidi, so you said you had one last surprise for us. I believe it was a balcony or a terrace or something?
Yes, you're gonna love this part. Save the best for last. So
All right, lead the way.
check this out.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. As if this apartment couldn't get any
We
bigger.
do some nice entertaining out here.
Incredible. And so that's the old town of Panama, right over there.
Here you have, yeah, spectacular views. There's Ocean Reef Island. You see all the ships in the background. You have the Amador Causeway. You have the old city, the bridge that goes around the old city. You have the mountains. You have Ancon Hill behind with the Panama flag on top.
Beautiful.
You can even see on the other side of the bridge, you can see the Bridge of the Americas from here.
Wow.
You can see everything,
This is
the
incredible.
islands. So, yeah,
Incredible. And the
it's-
water is absolutely stunning, beautiful. You can see the yachts coming in. I mean, this is incredible. This is gorgeous.
Isn't it? So you've got out here a great area to entertain. You've got a full kitchen over here, barbecue.
Oh, barbecues are mandatory here. Absolutely wonderful.
So yeah, I like saving this to last because it's so incredibly
La
beautiful.
pièce de résistance. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. All right, Heidi, so the moment has come. So tell us, how much does this property go for?
How much do you think?
Let me think. Let's see. You said it was 600?
649 square meters, so 7,000 square feet.
Okay.
Just under.
So I'd say, based on my experience in the States, a place like this in Florida, I mean, minimum 15 million plus. And we're in Panama, so I'm gonna throw out maybe a third of that. So 5 million.
Okay, I can start writing up the contract for 1.89.
Oh my God.
If you want the furniture, full turnkey package, add another 315,000 and we'll call it a deal.
So you're saying that the Palace in the Sky, Mount Olympus in the middle of Panama City, all this luxury is 1.89 without the furniture, and then you add an additional 300 or so thousand for the furniture, so
That's
around
right.
2 point something, you get the whole thing?
That's right.
Wow.
What do you
That's
think?
incredible. That is incredible.
Yeah, and the amenities here in the building are great too. So
Wow. Can you talk about those for a sec?
there's a great swimming pool
Okay.
facing with this same view on the ground floor. There's a great gym. There's 2 event rooms. So if you wanted to do a big party and you didn't want to do it here for some reason, you could do
Exactly.
it downstairs.
Wow, this is incredible. This is really incredible. I mean, I think no other place on earth has this combination of being affordable, tax neutral, safe, well located in terms of geography, connected to the US, to Canada. I mean, I really think Panama is just so exceptional, and it's incredible, absolutely incredible. All right, well, Heidi, thank you so much for having shown us this wonderful property, and you guys, thank you so much for following our YouTube channel. And remember, if you're interested in gaining early access to our full Panama relocation course, you can find the link in the description below.